I have the conference. My name is Peter Junior. Now welcome to Friday with Little Friends. I'm going to be showing you guys my new video game for Xbox. Here it is. That's the last. It's awesome. I really want to spec up the show and the black ops to be exact. So I bought and I'm going to see and show you guys what the game does. So gonna see you guys in today. Cause I'm gonna go somewhere tomorrow. So like after the day tomorrow, so I can be staying next time. So check out for more and subscribe and hit the bell.